Hello, for people out there who haven't subscribed or are learning something from all this data I'm presenting and collecting, that'd be cool if you subscribed or hit like or something like that. Also, if you want to suggest something like, say, power adjustments, ranges at different powers, things like that, I'm down to make videos like that. I mean, it's no problem for me to post stuff I learn. Also, shooting at lower pressures, like I believe tonight's episode is based on around 2,900 to 3,000 PSI and about 10 o'clock on the power wheel. Anyhow, that's just kind of a sum of what it all is. And thanks again. If you haven't subscribed, please do.
This is a 22 caliber bullpup by AEA. It's Challenger 23.5 grain. I haven't sighted it in. I'm just seeing with some 2/1/8 what it will do at 34 yards. The power wheel's at 10.5. Nice because it's not breaking the sound barrier. Very quiet.